Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Impala LT, stock number X441X. Low miles, only 30,000 miles on this local trade. Blu-ray metallic in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. The Impala is in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. The Impala is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input, and allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Impala has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 195 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.